Hey guys, today I'm playing Minecraft Pocket Edition, and I'm doing the Toolbox mod. So I'm going to show you the Toolbox mod, and anyway, I guess I'm going to do it on another new worlds, but anyway, let's just do that, and I think I'm going to go with normal, and we can make it a flat world. And there. Right. So the first thing is that we have like coordinates. They show our chords and everything. And we also have a mini map, which is pretty cool. I mean, you can't say who wouldn't like that mini map. You can see me placing the blocks on the mini map too. There's also a nice list of every single item in the game. Let me just show you all of it. It's a lot of items in Minecraft Pocket Edition, I guess. Some weird items I'm not familiar with there too. Furnace. Come on, I'm familiar with that. Anyway, you can search items up. As you see, there's a search bar, and we can also see our normal thing we see every day. Also, we got our inventory. We can enchant anything, so let's enchant. You can do that on a block, and as you see, it's enchanted. I got an enchanted block, and we can enchant anything, and we can even remove things. So destroy, bam, 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 bam. We've also got the options, so we can change it to survival. We can go to the nether. Wow. No way. Anyway, let's go back real quick. Here we are. We've got this X-ray thing. And X-ray is pretty cool, actually. Look at this. The X-ray. You can see X-ray through here, so look at this. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Look at that. The nether portal. I can see it. It's pretty awesome. And then it just becomes a normal nether portal. Anyway, the options, they also have a lot of things. We can restore our hunger. We can teleport back to our spawn point, which apparently is the bottom of the world. We can fly, and we're in survival mode, and we're flying, so it's pretty cool, I guess. We can heal ourselves. We can change the game speed. We can change the time, so it can be nighttime forever. It can be daytime forever. And yeah. You can also stop the time, so if we stop it, it will always be that time. We can always sprint. We can change our level to 100. We can change the weather. We can add a bunch of potion effects. Look how speedy I am. You can't catch me, skeleton. How'd you catch me, boy? How did you do that? You a hacker too? Lol. I'm too hard to get. Wow. Anyway, let's go back here. It's pretty awesome, as you see. And we can do, like, if we do this, this is pretty cool. Look at that. We're just going to keep on placing TNT. Woohoo! Oh no. Oh crap. Yeah! I lose all my levels. But I can like just place down TNT anytime. Look at that. And it's pretty amazing. Though you do die every second though. We can also change it, I believe. So we can do a lightning bolt. It's pretty cool. Can get struck by lightning though. Lightning. Anyway, moving on. We can spawn in mobs. If we get, I'm in survival mode, so if we get armor, which is right over here, add, and we go here. It actually shows our armor, so if we can just remove the cords, so there, as you see, it's actually showing my armor, the durability of it. It even shows the enchantments. And as you see, even over here with the sheep, it actually shows me their rank and health. It's 8 out of 8, but if I hit it, it becomes 6 out of 8. And there's a lot of things you can get, a lot of hidden items. And then at the last time we can like name this. If we name this home, done, and we add this to teleport, this is our home now. Now, as you see, it's actually a it's got a waypoint, so it's like waypoints. Anyway, let me just put the game speed back where it was. There we go. So if we just like ran so far away, and we like, oh, there's our home, and it shows us how many blocks away we are from it, and we can go all the way until it starts to disappear, but that's a waypoint. But you don't just have to walk to it. What you can do is you can just go ahead and, I don't know how it works. Oh, over here. We can just teleport. And see, now we're back here. We're right here. Right on the block. See? It's pretty cool, pretty awesome. But that's it for the Toolbox mod. Thank you so much for watching. And leave a like and subscribe, and it will help me out a lot. Goodbye. Once again, if I can even find it.